Welcome to Common Adjectives focusing on taste. In this lesson, we will learn 5 important adjectives that describe how food and drinks taste. These words are essential for talking about flavors in English. Let's explore them together. The first taste adjective is sweet. Sweet means containing a lot of sugar or having a pleasant taste. For example, this cake is very sweet. Another example, I love sweet chocolate. And finally, the fruit tastes sweet and fresh. Use this word when describing foods that have sugar or pleasant flavors. The second adjective is sour. Sour means having a sharp taste like lemon or acidic. For example, the lemon juice is too sour. Another example, this yogurt has a sour taste. And finally, the grapes are sour and not ripe yet. Use this word for foods that make your mouth pucker or feel sharp. The third adjective is bitter. Bitter means having a sharp, unpleasant taste that is not sweet. For example, black coffee has a bitter taste. Another example, dark chocolate can be bitter. And finally, these bitter greens are nutritious. Use this word for foods that taste harsh or are not sweet. The fourth adjective is salty. Salty means containing salt or tasting of salt, and it is not sweet. For example, these chips are too salty. Another example, the ocean water is salty. And finally, I like salty snacks with my lunch. Use this word when describing foods that have salt or a salt-like flavor. The fifth and final adjective is delicious. Delicious means extremely appetizing or pleasing to taste. It means something is very tasty and enjoyable. For example, this restaurant serves delicious food. Another example, the pasta was absolutely delicious. And finally, Mom made a delicious dinner for us. Use this word to say that something tastes really good. Now let's compare all 5 taste adjectives we learned. Sweet contains sugar and is pleasant. Sour is sharp and acidic. Bitter is sharp and unpleasant. Salty contains salt. And delicious means something is very tasty and enjoyable. These 5 words cover the main ways we describe how food tastes in English. These taste adjectives are also used in common English expressions. Sweet talk means to say something kind or flattering to someone. A sour note means something that spoils the mood or situation. A bitter end means a sad or disappointing conclusion. Salty about something means to be upset or annoyed about something. Learning these expressions helps you understand English better. Let's practice with real sentences. The delicious pizza was finished in minutes. This lemonade tastes too sour. I added extra salt because the soup was too bitter. The cookies are sweet and crunchy. These popcorn snacks are very salty. Notice how the taste adjectives fit naturally into sentences about food and drinks. Let's summarize what we learned. First, we learned 5 taste adjectives: sweet, sour, bitter, salty, and delicious. Second, each adjective describes a different flavor sensation. Third, use these words to describe food and drinks in conversations. And fourth, practice with real examples to master their usage. Congratulations on completing this lesson about taste adjectives.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.